Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat for joining us. To start off with, to explain what this company is about, I'd like to introduce to you a licensed civil engineer by profession, pagkatapos naging part ng skincare business full-time. In our previous company, she became a millionaire club member in just 5 months. Ganun po sila nakasipag na mag-asawa, no? And she's one of the kindest, most wonderful people that I know on this planet. She is a true leader. Though quiet and speaks softly, she lets her work speak for herself. Please welcome Coach Abigail Ernick.
Yes. Thank you so much, Coach Pat. Grabe naman ang intro. Speaking from from sobrang mabait din na ating coach. Thank you, Coach Pat. Yan. And of course, good evening everyone, every man. And welcome sa ating Zoom call for tonight. Yan. So, as Coach Pat mentioned, ayan, I am Coach Abigail Erne, a licensed civil engineer by profession. 4 years po akong nag-work as government employee. And I am a breadwinner sa pamilya. Panganay po ako sa magkakapatid. And syempre, hindi po sapat yung kita bilang empleyado. Ayan, kaya po naghanap ako ng mga side hustles. Ayan, so nagtry ako magbenta ng iba't ibang products sa mga office mates ko. Nag-aalok ako talaga ng mga leche flan, ng mga small items just to sustain yung needs ng family. But I am so blessed na nung during pandemic, nakita ko yung talagang opportunity, itong ganitong klaseng business, and sa tulong nito na-achieve namin mag-asawa yung aming first million, tama si Coach Pat, in just 5 months. And of course, dahil dito po sa ganitong klaseng opportunity, natupad po yung aming dream wedding. Ayan, kaya po sobrang saya namin. And now we are sharing this kind of business sa aming community, sa mga friends namin. Kaya this call, kailangan i-share nyo to sa mga kakilala nyo. Yan, kung sino dito yung gustong magbago yung buhay. I know for sure na dinala tayo dito sa lugar na to, sa call na ito, because of a certain purpose. So, merong reason, 'di ba? I'm sure you are praying for long na kung bakit nandito ka, kung bakit nandito ka sa Zoom call na to. I know for sure na gusto mong mag-level up. Maybe pagod ka na sa kung ano yung na-experience mo ngayon and you want to break free. Okay? And that same prayer was the prayer of our mentor Krisha last June 26. Ayan, so yan yung naging prayer niya na sana makahanap ng company with a global standard plus the work ethics na meron ng community natin na hindi mag-hype or magpakita ng mga mamahaling brands na meron, pero our community is focused on helping other people to break the chains of poverty in Filipino families. So yan po yung pinagpe-pray ng mga mentors natin. And we are so blessed dahil nakita po same prayer with Dr. Merly sa June 26, nagpe-pray din siya na makahanap ng team dito sa Pilipinas, and that's our business is started po doon naging answered prayer po yan, kaya po nagsimula yung ating community dito sa Riman. And our mentors who is earning 7 figures in a month sa ating previous company, they sacrifice that para dito sa ganitong klaseng opportunity. So can you imagine kung gaano kalaki yung naghihintay sa atin dito? And ako po personally earning 6 figures in a month, and our team earning din. Ito po yung pinagpalit natin. So pag-uusapan natin yan ngayong gabi kung gaano kalaki, kung gaano ka-massive itong business na pag-uusapan po natin. So are you ready? Okay, so let me share my screen. Okay, so ito yung pinag-uusapan natin. The number one Korean skincare brand in the country, which is the capital ng skincare sa buong mundo. So nakita natin gaano kaganda yung skin ng mga Koreana. 'Di ba? Nanonood tayo ng Netflix, alam natin 'yan kung gaano ka-glowing yung mga skin nila, pangarap natin 'yan. Ang mga K-pop, kahit mga lalaki, naku, sobrang grabe perfect yung skin, no? Tsaka yung mga actors, hindi mo halata kung ano yung edad nila. Hindi mo masasabi na 40s yan, 50s. So yung sikreto nila. This is a $3 billion company. This is the revenue in just 5 years in one country alone. Itong negosyo na to, hindi natin pinag-uusapan dito yung sales na millions lang, pero billions po ito. And when you convert it in peso, of course, it's 173 billion peso po. And to rank number one in the place kung saan ito ang Korea, ang capital pagdating sa skincare, to become number one, it's really hard. And this is something special. And to sell 40 million jars of dermatology cream na ang population lang sa Korea is 52 million, ibig sabihin po, itong cream na ito ay ang sikreto kung bakit ang mga Korean ay merong Korean glass skin. Kung bakit po bata sila at parang nagpa-botox, hindi sila tumatanda. And this time, you have the first mover's advantage. So right now, you are in the front seat. Ikaw yung mauuna na gagawa ng negosyo. Ito po ay nakalatag. Ito, ikaw yung kauna-unahang makakakita at gagawa ng negosyo. We can take advantage because this is big money. And we are ranked number 22 on the direct selling list bago tayo lumabas sa Korea. Ibig sabihin, very established na po ito. And now, we are going global. Kaya kapag pinalampas mo itong opportunity na ito, well, malaki po yung pinapalagpas mong income. So this is the commitment of our company. They pay malaking amount ng pera, not just to become a bonded company, but they paid 14 million pesos para po maging foreign-owned entity. Ibig sabihin, hindi lang sila nagbayad just to pay for the insurance or basta yung maliit na requirement lang, but they paid a lot of money just to show yung commitment, yung talagang trust nila sa Filipino market, dahil alam nila mga Pinoy masisipag, sanay tayong mag-communicate in English, kaya nating abutin yung iba't ibang lugar with our language. And ibig sabihin po, this business is here not just to survive in few years, but it is here to stay for long term. So ganyan po ka-committed ang ating kumpanya. Hindi ka pa talaga fully nagko-commit, pero siya ibinuhos na niya. Kasi alam niya na sasabog itong negosyo na to. Alam niyang magka-create ito ng massive sales. And we have our corporate office na dinesign po mismo ng designer ng Prada stores. So ganito ka-premium yung pagkakagawa sa ating office. Ibig sabihin, hindi tayo basta putyo-putyo lang, talagang nag-e-effort yung company, talagang nag-i-invest siya para i-serve sa Filipino community yung best. Para hindi ka mapahiya sa mga customers mo, hindi ka mapahiya sa mga business partners na alokin mo. Dalahin mo sila dito sa place na to. They will feel the ambience, yung luxurious ambience, yung amoy, yung feel, yung talagang mararamdaman nila na this is something big. And this is located in the business capital in Manila, in Makati. We are very excited dahil mag-o-open na po yan in October 1. So ilang days na lang, almost 2 weeks bago mag-open ng ating office. And we have 3 local warehouses kung saan ito yung mag-i-start na magpa-ship ng mga products locally, and you can order individual items or kits. Ayan, sobrang ganda. As you can see, nakaka-excite bumisita po dyan. It is a high-rise building and we are very much excited. And ang demand po sa ating produkto, syempre bago gumastos ang kumpanya ng milyon-milyon, nag-research muna yan. Gaano ba kasigurado na ang ating produkto ay bebenta? So nag-research siya to know na ang Philippines is top 5 demand globally for Korean skincare at gumagastos po ang mga Filipino ng 1.32 billion just in Korean skincare. Ibig sabihin, ang mga Pinoy gusto talagang gumanda, gusto talagang presentable, ba? Gustong pumuti, 'di ba? Yan yung mga goals natin eh, kahit anong edad. Yan po. Kaya naman Philippines, sabi ko nga, mga masisipag yan, kahit saan mong daling bansa. Yan po ay mga nagiging successful. So, do you believe that you will become successful in this business na itong negosyong ito is naka-design para sa'yo talaga? So, this is K-Beauty. Ang K-Beauty po, nalagpasan na niya yung sales ng mga Chanel, ng Lancome, ng Dior. Ayan po yung mga brands na kalaban natin head to head. Hindi po tayo nakikipag-compete sa mga simpleng skincare lang. We are competing with the luxurious brands. We believe na itong negosyo na to, talagang mag-explode to, and we are going into 50 more countries, and we are nag-i-start pa lang tayo. Nandito po tayo sa first movers advantage. And kung tatanungin nyo, Coach, sobrang effective ba talaga niyang product na yan? Gaano ba yan kaganda at bakit $3 billion ang pinag-uusapan natin? Talagang nag-trending yan. So, we will talk about how good our products is. Ang magde-discuss po for tonight sa ating amazing products. She is a happy mother of 4 wonderful children. Alright, so she is also a licensed physical therapist by profession, a certified TESOL and ESL teacher for 10 years. And she is exposed to MLM for over 2 decades as well. One of our product ambassadors, whom we fondly and respectfully call Nanay, Miss Karen Esmundo. Hello po, Nanay Karen.
Okay, thank you. So ayan po, maraming salamat po sa introduction for the company na binigay po ni Coach Abby. Alam ko na with that presentation, nakita natin kung gaano ka-unique yung company for what they have already achieved. I think they have like 24 global awards and now currently 16 patents. It started with just 12, I think, and now they have 16 patents. So they're really innovating po. Ito po ang isang maganda when we have a skin company that is really passionate about skincare. Tanong ko po sa inyo, with the countless skincare products out there in the market, what helps you choose your brand? Po yung parang nasa isip ko ngayon. So is it the endorser that helps you decide to try the product? Maybe the ingredients, if you hear that it's safe and high quality, or maybe the price. Alam ko, lahat tayo, when it comes to pricing, yan ang next question natin. Okay, magaling product, but what about the price? And then, do you really take into consideration the science behind? Habang sinasabi ko po yan, I hope na you're reflecting on the qualities po, how you make or yung decisions that you make when choosing a skincare. Because what do we really need? I think we don't need more, but what we need is what works. And what really works is something that is safe and that is affordable. So now allow me to introduce to you our 3 powerhouse brands from the House of Riman. Our ICD or Inselderm brand for our signature skincare line. This one po above is our signature skincare line. This is water-based. And then below is our advanced skincare line, which is Radiant Sum 100. For skin na really matured skin, excessive dryness ang problem, and also with hyperpigmentation. This one is 100% microfluidized. But this one also, microfluidized din po yung mga hero products natin, which I will later on explain. And then we also have under the ICD brand is our cosmetics. Then sa Botalab po, we have the hair care, the Certicola. And then we have the body care, the Soamel brand. And then the lightening for skin supplements, we have something for the gut health. and then our collagen. So makikita po natin dito sa mga brands that the Riman company the approach is holistic when it comes to skincare because they are redefining what a healthy skin is. Yan po yung Riman. So bakit po siya nagkaroon ng mga patented ingredients? Ito po yung mga ingredients na ito. We have the giant biyang pole. Here in the Philippines, it's known as Goto Kola. In Korea, it's known for tiger grass. So tiger grass po is grass na anciently they have observed its healing capacity because naturally tigers will look for this grass. And then they will roll over this grass and then they will receive complete skin recovery for their skin, mga sugat-sugat after a battle, pag na-injure sila. And this history intrigued our number one formulator in Korea. So sabi niya, ano ang meron dito sa halaman, sa grass na to, Centella asiatica? So he studied it for 4 years until he had the innovation that made this simple tiger grass grow into 3 to 4 to 5 times of its size. From a regular size of a 20 peso coin, it grew to the size of a palm. Hindi lang po yung size ang lumaki, kung hindi po din the benefits or the properties of this plant grew 1,000 times. More of its anti-inflammatory benefits, more of its hydrating benefits, and more of its healing properties. Yan po yung giant biyang pole. Giant biyang pole is in itself a new plant. That's why with the name Giant. So now we have here, next is the Jeju Lava Energy Water. The Jeju Lava Energy Water is just simply seawater that was naturally filtered by our lava rocks. Meron pong volcano dyan, which is UNESCO Protected Heritage Site. And only 6 people have access to its use. So binigyan sila ng government ng access. And one of those people given the access is our chairman. So ginamit po ito ni Chairman Ann, this energy water that is naturally filtered, it's clean, it's pure, it's stable, and also mineralized. Yun po yung natural process of this water na ginamit niya to farm this Centella asiatica. Kaya po ito lumaki ng ganitong size. So doon natin makikita, wow, yung mga benefits na sinasabi, mineral supplementation na properties ng energy water is indeed true. Because of these 2 ingredients na to, nagkaroon ng mga products ang Riman. So ito po yan. Now, even po sabihin natin may mga vegan products yan nakasama, may mga safe and pure ingredients po. Kung wala naman pong delivery system that will take it to the deeper parts of our skin, hindi po natin ma-enjoy yung benefits nito. So that's why with the Western technology, the nano-liposomal technology, we now experience the benefits of these ingredients in just a matter of days and even hours. We can see the difference already. We have this microfluidizing machine, a very expensive machine only used by pharmaceuticals. Ito yung ginagamit nila para mag-take effect agad ang mga gamot. Like they have topical applications like the ointments. So ganun po ka-potent yung delivery system. Pero ito naman po, they are delivering, okay, they are making these active ingredients into this very smallest particle, so that it can reach the innermost part of our skin, the dermis. Kaya po ang pangalan ay in-cell derm. It can reach up inside the cellular level. Okay, yan po ang ating science. Now, what's the philosophy of Riman? Riman ritual follows 3 steps: the cleanse, the hydrate, and the protect. Ito po ang ating signature skincare line. Kung makikita nyo, for this 2 here, for the cleansing part, we have the moisture cleansing oil, and Koreans believe in dual cleansing. I think yung mga nandito ngayon sa ating presentation, I think may awareness na kayo about Korean skincare, right? Pero dito pa sa Riman Ritual, they believe in dual cleansing. So we use moisture cleansing oil first to use oil to take off the oil from our face, from the products that we're using, or even the natural oils of our face. And then after that, you just massage it to your face and then wash it off, rinse it off, and it will emulsify, just like soap, parang soap, nagkakaroon siya ng suds. And then after that, that rinsing, we follow it up with another wash, which is the cleansing powder wash for exfoliation. And then for the hydrating part, we have several items po. We have the Too Faced Oil Kit for moisturizing and hydrating. Kaya may oil yan and may water. Sabi nila, when you use oil, you moisturize. When you use water, you hydrate. And then we have the Calming Balance Gel. This has 24 karat gold and also uses the mask rose water, which is very premium when it comes to rose water. So this is very good for pimples, drying up pimples, and also for ensuring the bacterial balance in our skin. So the 24 karat gold functions as an ingredient to make absorption and penetration of the ingredient faster and better. And then we have the Dermatology first package. It comes into two. So dalawa po yan. We have this, the booster, and then the serum. And then we seal off with the booster. These are liquid, and this has Jeju Lava Energy water. It has NMN po. For all of you who has familiarity with NMN, yan po ngayon ang trending when it comes to reverse aging. So when you hear NMN, it's really good for reverse aging. And then they also have other enzymes like Rejuvium R, which is for DNA repair. Saan po kayo makakakita? Nasaan po ang DNA? Ang DNA po nasa kaloob-looban ng cells natin. So for that to have an effect means you only need science to achieve that effect. And after that, we have the Dermatology Cream, which has been sold for 40 million bottles initially in their early years. But I think now it has grown up to 50 million bottles sold. And then this one also has NMN, katulad ng first package. They all have NMN, they have the leaf water, they have the Jeju water. They boast of, itong tatlong products na to boast of 57% moisturizing, ito 81 to 88%. This is the highest that I have seen in the market. The one that I'm using is just 23%. So imagine that kind of effect that they will give, a benefits that they will give to your skin. And then we have the Protect, which is the Aqua Protection Sun Gel, which we need po. And all this, meron din po itong patented ingredient inside this. So it doesn't have a white cast. And then we have the Multi-Stick Balm, which has Bianco leaf oil. Very good for hydration. It's so good sa lips natin in extra dry areas. And then we also have the Melting Mask, a mask that really penetrates your skin. Ngayon lang po ako nakakita ng mask that is dry. And then after that, when you spray it off, it's so small that it penetrates your pores, 40 times smaller than your pores. So this is really exciting because they are new. Yung mga ingredients nila, it's not found in the market out there. Kaya nga first movers. So tayo yung nauna and tayo din yung maunang ma-experience ng mga products na ito. And then, of course, if you experience the benefits of the products, what do you expect? The results. So here are some of the results. Here, very significant, age spots has been lessened. Fine lines, like this one from the crow's feet, yung sa eye area, nawala siya after like 6 months ba to of use? So from October to June. And then you have the lid lifting effect. Nakita naman po natin yung droopy eyelids and then ito. So with consistent use of the safe ingredients, we can actually experience healing of our skin, just like this melasma over here. And also this one, the laugh lines. Nakita naman natin that it took 10 years off of his face. And even here, it became plumper, yung cheeks niya. Nakita niyo po, when our skin pala is hydrated, it's naturally plump and also luminous. So the natural luminosity of the skin is achieved. Yan po ang promise ng products natin. And this one, the puffiness. Kita nyo naman, nakita nyo dito na reduce yung parang facial swelling and even the eye bags also. Not really significant anymore in this after picture. And also the dark circles. Ito po yung mga common skin problems natin na maaaring tayo ang merong problema nito o kakilala natin. But this one is our own Filipino testimonials. So for those of you who have used the products, you can share and flood the pages in Facebook about your testimonial, Freeman, introducing this product to others. So here, 10 minutes after, you can see, wala na po siyang problema, pero may igaganda pa ang balat niya. This is my personal testimony for their anti-inflammatory. I had the skin reaction after applying lotion. Instantly, nagkaroon ng reaction yung balat ko, itchiness, redness, and this mga pantal-pantal, rashes. And then after that, I put only 2 products, the Calming Balance Gel and also the Too Faced Oil Mist. And then I took a picture. Then 5 minutes after, nakita niyo naman na humupa na yung redness, yung swelling, and yung itchiness. And then 10 minutes after, my skin went back to normal. Nakita natin parang, magic. So, hindi siya magic. Totoo po yan. At hindi lang po para sa akin, kung hindi para din sa anak ko. This one was taken same day, 9 a.m. in the morning. May ginagamit siyang skincare product, which is like Fairy Skin. I think it's 1 box, 4 products. Sabi ko, I know it's harsh chemical. It's just 300 pesos. Maaring, sabi ng, makakakita kayo kaagad, pero hindi, babalik at babalik pa rin yung problema because hindi naman na-address talaga yung skin healing from within. Pero ng inflammation, the pimples are really red and big. But after, ito po, 6 p.m. po ng hapon, actually, I took a picture of her, not for i-post ko, but for her to see, to convince her na the product really works. Umalis kami niya, ito nag-wash siya ng morning, then after na, I let her experience the full range of the products. Yung pinakita ko po sa inyo kanina, pina-experience ko po sa kanya yan. And then, at 6 p.m. po, when I took a picture, nakita niyo naman po na wala na yung inflammation at saka parang nag-tame yung kanyang mga pimples. Ngayon, she's using it. So, continuous pa rin na nagre-repair yung balat niya. But I believe that with consistent use, we can achieve our skin goals. Here one naman is the Botalab. After 1 use, the scalp psoriasis symptoms is gone. The flakiness, the redness, and the inflammation. Even the receding hairline, as you can see, it caused a regrowth of hair. Thickness ng hair is addressed and even the density. Ito po yung promise. Why? Because it's backed up by clinical studies. Lahat po ng mga products, it's tested by the Ask Laboratory owned by our chairman. Ito yung business niya before Riman. Clinical study po tayo before they test it for a third party. Improved. So, ang importante po sa atin is balat because this is the largest organ of our body, our skin. It covers our body. It's the main defense for contaminants is our skin. So, our skin needs to be healthy. Po ang philosophy, which is really to protect and to prevent further damage of the skin. So, ito naman po, we have produced an $800,000 3-minute video for us to show our clients, our partners, our soon-to-be partners about the science behind it, how they farm the giant Biang pool, how they meticulously study and really infuse the leaves with Jeju lava water. Meron pang specific temperature for infusing that and for immersing it sa water. And then hindi lang po yan kung hindi yung also the days it's counted 45, actually 2 months ang kanilang harvest time because we harvest it fresh just like this. We don't use Centella asiatica as dry leaves. So maaari yung iba po may Centella asiatica but I doubt if they use fresh leaf extract, the leaf water with Jeju Lava Energy Water. So yan po ang pinapakita po ng company na what they're using, where they are making, and they're very transparent with the science behind their products. So I'm really very proud to share to everyone, every single presentation, the people that I talk to, because this is a product that is that comes very in every 15 years daw sabi nila, pero they don't believe because I think this is hard to beat company because they're very innovative. They have their own laboratory. They do not toll manufacture. So with this information, I hope you can reflect on what you are using now and what you should be trying now. So thank you po for this opportunity. And now I turn back the time to our Coach Pat.
Thank you for explaining wonderfully and completely the products and just how wonderful it is. So now, Coach Abby shared with you that $3 billion company. Hindi po pesos, kundi $3 billion company. Luxury company, the number one in Korea. Then, Coach Karen talked to you about the natural products, how it is scientifically formulated and designed not only for deep cleansing, for all skin types, not only to moisturize and to revitalize, but to heal everybody's skin and allow us to age backwards. So napakaganda po ng products na yan. Pero you know what? I believe in this principle. I don't believe in accidents. I don't believe in coincidences. I believe that everything is a divinely appointed occurrence. So ito pong pag-gather natin ngayon, whether this is your first time or whether it is your 20th time to gather and hear this, it is not an accident. It is a choice and it is divinely guided for us to get together. Now, after we've shared with you the power of the products, the power of the company, how luxury it is, now ang tanong, what about the rewards? Is it going to be worth my time? Effort to reward ratio, kumbaga. Tingnan po natin sa rewards. Before I tell you about the rewards, actually, I also want to emphasize and underscore timing. Timing in any business is as important to location in real estate. As a real estate, diba? Location is key. Kahit gaano kaganda yung lupa mo, the lupa itself, pag yan naka-stay, no, situate sa isang lugar na hindi ideal, hindi maganda yung paligid, may hirapan kang ibenta yan. On the other hand, if the location is key. Ganun din po sa mga franchises. Sa franchise, ang tatlong importante, location, location, location. Importante ba yan pag franchise? Pero sa ganitong klaseng business, global business, we're talking about global business, timing is important. Kung ngayon po kayong magninegosyo ng DVD, ng cassette tapes, ng mga compact disc, medyo hindi po tayo kikita. Pero if we're going to talk about skincare, you are in the right timing business. Skincare globally, last year lang, $167.73 billion US dollars. Kanina po nabanggit po ni Coach Abby bakit skincare is a boom in the Philippines. 1.32 billion US dollars ang kinonsume ng Filipino last year. If I come in, okay, magandang timing. So how do I make money? No? Is it serious money? Well, there's 6 ways to earn: retail, unilevel, leadership override, revenue share, leadership match, and open group. I'm not even going to discuss all those ways. I'm just going to discuss 2 ways. One is for if you like to share, if you like to sell, no? Yung iba sinasabi, pero I don't like to sell eh. Hindi para sa akin siguro ang Riemann. I can't sell, don't sell, won't sell. Well, you know what? That's great. Why? Because we're not looking for salespeople. We're looking for shares people. We want people that share. We want people to share their stories, share their beliefs, and share their wonderful experiences with the Riemann products. And you already do that. Ginagawa na po natin yun. Nagsishare na tayo, no? There's 7 ranks, okay? And the higher of the ranks you go, the more retail commission. For example, you start over as a planner. The moment you become a planner, you get 10% retail commission from your business. So if you bought one of those products na sinasabi ni Miss Karen, yun na lang tawag nito, yung Dermatology Cream X, no? It's 3,800. But for the simplicity of math, let's make it 4,000 kunyari. So 4,000 may 10% ka. So bawat mabilin mo na yon, you make money back. So and as you go up, mas lumalaki. So imagine nyo, kapag inabot niyo yung team leader, 50%, imagine nyo kalahati nun sa'yo. Bumili ka kunyari ng 4,000, 2,000 ibabalik sa'yo ng company. Kapag bumili ka naman ng isa para ibenta, that's still 2,000 kung 50% ka. So ang laki po nun. Parang ikaw na may-ari. Di ba? Ang laki ng percentage, and as you go up the ranks, the more that you make. So this Riemann Retail Commission is for when you like to share. Okay, yung iba naman, ito naman leadership match bonus, the second way to earn that I would like to show you. This is for those who like to share and build other people. You want to share about the business. Yung kanina you share about the product. So you sell or you share some, you move products. Ito naman, if you like to share and you like to inspire people about going into business, if you like to inspire people of bringing out the best in themselves, ito naman po yung reward, leadership match. So for example, kayo po naging team leader. Dahil sa sipag nyo at dahil sa sipag ng grupo, collectively, naging team leader ka. So let's say sa ilalim mo, ako kunyari, let's say ako po na-refer mo ako and I'm excited and I did the business, you helped me do the business, you helped me grow, learn. So I become a team leader. Ngayon, because of your effort, your sacrifice, your patience in helping me, because you like to help leaders, ang mangyayari po, the company will reward you 40%. Just for your first generation, ha? That's, let's say, ako po yung unang team leader nyo, yung system ang maghahanap, hindi nyo kailangan hanapin yan. Pag nahanap ako ng system, ako yung team leader nyo, you receive 40% of what? Of my income. So pag ako po kumita ng 100,000, bibigyan po kayo ng company ng 40,000. Hindi po yung ibabawas sa akin. Ibibigay po yun sa inyo from the company sales. So if I make 1 million, you make 400,000. For each team leader yan. Imagine nyo kung isa po ako, and let's say I made 1 million, you make 400,000. Kung 10 po yung team leader nyo, dahil mahilig nga kayong tumulong sa mga tao to bring out the best in themselves in the realm of business. That means each one of those people, the first level, you all get 40% from us. So yan po, yung ways to earn. Just from those two, you can already see how much money can be made. Wala po ditong flush out, wala pong side lock, wala pong kahit ano-anong lock. Unlimited po ang income, limited only by our effort. Limited only by our vision and our grind. Kung gaano tayong kasipag consistently. Yun lang po nagli-limit. Pero lahat po ng kikitain nyo, ibibigay po ng company sa inyo lahat ng percentage. 57% po ang payout ng company. Yan po ang pinakamataas sa industriya. Hindi lang po, pero lahat pupunta talaga sa mga tao. Okay? Other than the income, other than the company itself being luxury, other than the products being not only luxury but more importantly effective, no, and affordable luxury. And what about marketing? Ang tanong is, paano tayo tutulungan ng company to help us market online and offline our products? Wag po kayong mag-worry. Everything about Riemann is luxury, including our marketing materials. Kanina po, Miss Karen showed you video that cost us $800,000 to make. So ang ating mga ads is like this, like Revlon, Tommy Hilfiger, Jadore. Kaya itong ad natin, ipapakita ko sa inyo, meron siyang Versace feel. Yan. Believe in Selderm. Believe in Selderm. Okay? So nakita nyo naman po yan. Ito pong ating model ay si Won Bin. Okay? Ito po, dati siyang sikat. Ngayon, sikat na siya. Pero hindi na siya masyado nagpapakita because gano'n na po yung brand niya. Namimili na po siya katulad ni Brad Pitt, katulad po ni George Clooney. Namimili na sila ng mga palabas na gusto nila. Hindi na sila katulad ng mga start-up na mga artista na kahit ano, pwede. Pero ito po, sobrang sikat niya. He's actually no longer coming out in the movies. Ganon siya kasikat. And he does not lend his name nor his face, which are both brands na sa Korea. He does not show his face or attach his name or his image in any product. Pero dito, pinagamit niya yung both his image and his name. That's why nung nakita po ito ng mga tao sa Korea, one of the reasons kung bakit sumikat si Riemann because of his endorsement. So yan po yung kalibre ng ating mga advertisement. Okay? So ngayon po, ito naman si Frederic Bourton. He is a French, he's the best in the world, no? When it comes to fragrance and cosmetic creation. And we have partnered with him for our Botalab line of products. I think some Insilderm also. See, he's one of the best. So what we're trying to point out here, ladies and gentlemen, is that Riemann will stop at nothing but to give you the best of the best. So ngayon, what is the mind behind all this? Who is behind this wonderful company? And how did it come about? Really quickly, ito pong owner nito ay si Chairman An. Si Chairman Jun Hoon Am. Basically, before he even created Riemann, he was the #1 skin formulator in Korea. Doon po siya naging bilyonaryo in dollars. When he discovered the Byangpool or the giant Byangpool, when he found this, alam nyo, ayaw niyang ibenta doon sa mga big brands like Chanel, Lancome, La Mer, because alam niya magiging mahal. And his passion is to make the best skincare available for everybody. Kaya niya po tinayo yung Riemann. Ayaw niya maging mahal. Helping people get the best possible skin because that's his gift. #1 skincare formulator. And to prove na this is not just about money, yung income po nung unang taon, the first year income of Riemann, pag ikaw ang may-ari ng ganyan, tapos kumita ka ng $100 million in dollars, usually bibili ka ng jet plane, dagdag ka ng kotse, dadagdag ka ng bahay, whatever. Siya po hindi. Alam niyo yung ginawa niya sa first year income niya? He bought the Riemann Village. This is a 1.58 hectare village. It has 9 villas, and each one having 3 big rooms the size of 2-bedroom unit condo or even bigger. Tapos everything is high-tech. Pati po yung closet. Kapag linigay niyo yung mga damit niyong kusot, paglabas, planchado na. Sinistim po nung closet. Okay, tapos meron po mga restaurants dito, meron po mga spas, may mga bars. Anything and everything you want to eat and anything and everything that you want to engage in is free. This is open only for Riemann planners and distributors. Para sa atin lang po yan twice a year. So pag may promo to visit Jeju, yun po talaga dapat i-hit natin so we can experience ultimate luxury. And plus, yung mga pagkain po natin dyan is not made or cooked by normal chefs. Celebrity chefs ang nagluluto po dyan every night. So yan po ang ginawa ni Chairman. He made the village for the distributors to feel that they come home. Pero hindi po dyan natatapos. Chairman also created the campus. Yung po nasa gitna ng campus is yung Riemann Village. Pero surrounding the campus is the solar power station that he created para mura yung electricity. Tapos yung Jeju Lava Center po, hindi po niya tinayo yan. Yan po ang pangmay-ari ng government. Okay, ganun po ka visionary si Chairman An. And not only that, ito po yung Riemann Farm. It's a smart farm, right? Ang pinakasikat niya sa Netherlands. Netherlands ang hub ng smart farms. Ito po, highly automated. Everything's automated. Hindi na po tao lang ang gumagana. Pag sinabing smart farm, there's AI, everything is monitored pa. Malaman kung ano yung ideal temperature, yung growth, at saka kung yung surroundings. And everything is designed so that it will produce the best yield and the best quality. And that's what we have in Riemann. Ito po yung actual farm. Nakita niyo yung mga rows of giant Byangpool sa loob. At dyan naman po nakikita niyo yung comparison between the normal Centella asiatica and the giant Byangpool, which is exclusive to Riemann. So, in short po, tayo lang po ang gumagamit ng live giant Byangpool. Everybody else is using the normal dried pa. Yung sa atin po, harvest, infusion, tapos inalagay na po sa ating mga product. Ang tanong, okay, so paano ako magbi-business? Siyempre, kapag nag-business, ideally, may 3 kang package, no? Ibig sabihin ng isang package, yung complete set. Bakit? Kasi yung isa, gagamitin mo. You have to be the product of your product. Tapos ikalawa, pang-demo mo at saka yung pambenta mo. Ayan ang ideal. So itong business kit na to which costs 90,000 pesos, you get 112,000 worth of products. And you get several sets, a total of maybe 4 sets complete as marami pang extra. As naman po 65,000, syempre mas mababa, mas konti ang products. So you get 3. Yung isa gamit mo, yung isa pang-demo mo, yung isa pang benta mo. So, and lastly is the 21,000. This one is for your personal use. Pwede mo rin siyang gamitin para sa demo if you like, okay? So, yun po ang mga business packages na you can start with. 21,000, 65,000, and 90,000. Pero ito po yung challenge. You need to tell the person that invited you right away. Okay, so which one you're more comfortable in starting. Pero if you want to do the business, highly recommended na kailangan po may product kayo. But we want everybody to succeed. And so, ang maganda pa po nito, timing is everything. We're just opening in the Philippines. We are the 9th country that's being opened other than United States, Canada, Mexico, South Korea, Hong Kong, Taiwan, Malaysia, Singapore. Philippines is the 9th. And UK, naunahan pa ng Japan. Yung UK po magsa-start na September 23. Yung Japan, November. So may 2 countries pa na magbubukas this year. And next year, ang dami pang iba. So yung timing po could not be more perfect. Kaya yung iba po na ang United States, 2 years ago lang yan. Nagbukas. The rest, 1 year lang. Yung rest, iba pa, kabubukas lang din. And we're already beating, kahit na bago pa lang po tayo, we are beating the other countries that have gone before us. Ganun po excited ang mga Pilipino, no? And we are continuing it and we're inviting you. Ang maganda pa po niyan, hindi pa dyan natatapos. Actually, yung vision po ng ating CEO is for 100 years. Yung 100-year vision plan niya includes becoming the #1 skincare brand in the whole world. And to do that, he has to penetrate all these continents and all these countries. And his goal is to be 50 countries by the end of 5 years. Ganon po siya ka-visionary. So yan po ang ating presentation sa inyong gabi. Bago tayo magpaalam, gusto ko lang pong ipakita sa inyo tong video na to make you feel like you're coming home. Thank you for spending time with us. Who is Reman? How did it become the number one skincare product and system in Korea and soon to be the world? And why is Reman the best compensation plan, meaning best effort to reward ratio? How amazing and visionary our chairman An is as a formulator, as a leader, and our products are all luxury. And we have also emphasized that how important it is for you to take advantage of the timing. So if you, ladies and gentlemen, are looking for products to truly heal your skin, use Reman. If you are looking for an opportunity to heal your pockets, do Reman. If you're looking for a company that heals all your past hurts from other failed businesses, come home to Reman. Office opens on October 1, 2025. And a reminder, you do not need permission, ladies and gentlemen, for you to be brave. And you do not need permission for you to succeed. You just need to decide. Patrick Esmundo po for Coach Abby, Erne, and Coach Karen Esmundo, inviting you to be part of the House of Reman. Good night.